Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by testing and balancing the water so algae and corrosion won't develop over winter. After that, clean filters and remove leaves. A clean pool avoids trapped grime. Next, lower water to the manufacturer's winter line or about 1 to 2 inches below the skimmer. This prevents freeze damage to fittings. As you work, make sure pumps are off and power tools are used safely. Once done, collect plugs, caps, and a winterizing kit so you can install them in the next step. You now treat the water and secure equipment to prevent freeze and chemical imbalance. Add a winter algaecide and a non-chlorine oxidizer at labeled doses and run the pump briefly so chemicals distribute, then shut down the system. Drain and disconnect the pump, filter, and heater, remove excess water and store indoors, and blow out plumbing with a shop vac or compressor to clear standing water. Next, install winterizing plugs in return lines and protect the skimmer with a float or rigid plate to absorb ice pressure. You finish by fitting and securing a winter cover correctly so the pool stays protected. Center the cover, tighten the cable or straps to the recommended tension, and anchor securely around the frame. A loose cover allows debris and water pooling. Place water bags or floats along the edges to relieve ice stress and prevent cover contact with the liner. Finally, check monthly. Clear debris, ensure tension holds, and top up water only if dangerously low. If the cover tears or the cable slips, address it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.